What trading is really about? Trading is about you. It's not you versus the market. It's not you versus other traders. It's you versus you. And that sounds simple, right? Almost obvious. Because you think, I have been with myself my entire life, from the day I was born until the day I die. I should know myself. This should be easy. And then you start trading. When you start trading, your emotions show up. Fear, greed, impatience, ego, and suddenly you realize something uncomfortable. You don't know yourself at all. It feels like there's a second person living inside your head, and they're loud, emotional, impulsive, and the worst part, they're not paying rent. You tell yourself, don't take this trade, and you take it anyway. You tell yourself, cut the loss, and you don't. That's when the trading nightmare starts. This is when people realize something important. Trading psychology matters more than technicals, because most traders already know the technicals. They know the entries, they know exits, they know risk management, they know what to do. The problem is doing it when emotions show up. That's the part nobody talks about enough. I'll tell you why this is so hard. As humans, we hate losing money, and we want to be right. Those two things are wired into us. The problem is, in trading, you can't have both every time. You can't be right and still lose money. You can be wrong and still make money. The market doesn't care about you or your feelings. It doesn't care if you need a win today. And that's where the conflict starts. Every trading day is the same battle. Not with the market, with yourself. Can you follow your plan when you were bored? Can you follow your plan after a loss? Can you stop trading when you know you should? That's the real skill. Not predicting price, not catching tops and bottoms, self-control. Most people don't quit trading because they're bad at it. They quit because they can't handle who trading forces them to confront. Trading holds up a mirror, and not everyone likes what they see. The impulsive side, the emotional side, the impatient side. But that mirror is also an opportunity. Trading requires awareness. It requires honesty. And it requires accepting that this is an internal game first. The market isn't your enemy. Your lack of discipline is. Your inability to accept losses is. Your need to be right is. When you understand that, trading starts to make sense. This channel is just me documenting my day trading journey, the good, the bad, and the boring. If trading has shown you sides of yourself you didn't expect, you're not alone and you are not broken. Thanks for watching.